Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I have another model airplane unboxing that I just got in the mail today. This is from a brand that I haven't ever gotten a model from before. This is Herpa wings. So inside the box here we have the Herpa wings 1 to 500 scale, Lufthansa 747-8. I thought this would have been a cool model to pick up since I will probably be going to Chicago this year and plane spotting there, and the Lufthansa 747-8 is one of the planes that flies into there. And also, I've never gotten a Lufthansa model before in all the years that I've been collecting planes. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and take a look at it. I completely failed that. There was a peel tab right there. Nonetheless, okay, there it is. Alright, so here it is. So I got this off of eBay, and from the seller that was selling like 1,500 Herpa wings models. From a collection. I also bought another model that will be coming shortly in the mail that I'll unbox also on here for you guys. So this is my very first Herpa model, so I'm pretty excited to get into this. From what I've seen, Herpa isn't the most detailed out of these model manufacturers, but apparently their new releases are really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and see what it's all about. Okay, there it is. It's a lot smaller than I thought. Well, probably because I've never gotten a 1 to 500 scale plane before. Okay. So here it is. Wow, it looks really nice actually. Okay, it's definitely metal. I can tell that right now. Oh wow, okay. That's something cool too. See the landing gear? It can pivot. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there you go. Kind of pivots like it does on landing. Wow, that's really cool. So of course up at the front we got the cockpit windows, we have the Lufthansa logo under it, and the Star Alliance logo to the left. There's no nose cone detail, but that's okay since this is a fairly small model. Then of course next to that we have the Lufthansa titles, and then moving back we got the extended upper deck on the 747-8 Intercontinental. Also, the engine details, you can see it has the kind of spikes on the back that are on the 747-8 and the 787. And then, of course, moving back, we got all the doors and cargo holds. It says Lufthansa.com, and then the registration again, and the German flag next to it, and then, of course, the iconic Lufthansa tail. So I've seen the 747-400 all the time at Detroit. That's one of my favorite things to catch when I'm at the airport, so this is a pretty cool plane to have. I will eventually get the 747-400, probably from Gemini Jets, to add to the collection and set next to this, but so far I'm really impressed with this Herpa model. Okay, so this is my 1 to 400 Delta A350, and you can kind of see they're pretty much the same size. So if that shows you the difference between 400 and 500 scale. I don't have a 1 to 400 747 in my collection as of now, but I will be getting one probably in the near future. I am going to Chicago, so I will probably be visiting the model airplane store that's there and picking up a couple models. So that's about it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. See you later.